see something I know.
Do you smell what the chef is cooking? Chef Adrienne Calvo, of course. It is Maximum Flavor Thursday in the Panda Kitchen this morning, and we're excited. I think she's making dessert. She just put sugar in there, so we're so excited about that. And we're excited about our special guest joining us today, Dr. Colin Knight. We're going to talk about a really great event happening a week from today. Colin, you're going to be there. Adrienne Calvo is going to be there.
Absolutely.
And we want you to be there as well, right?
Absolutely.
So let's talk about this event. You're going to have 10 chefs. Adrienne, Chef Calvo is one of 10 chefs participating, and they're cooking for 10 people. Right. So this is like a private cooking event.
Very intimate event. We've picked the 10 best chefs in South Florida, brought them together at a great event at the W.
Okay. W Fort Lauderdale.
W Fort Lauderdale.
Great.
We're benefiting Flippity, which is Florida Introduces Physical Activity and Nutrition to Youth. They run a lot of great programs promoting nutrition and physical activity for children to try and help them be healthier.
That's great.
Yeah, and as a doctor who works at Miami Children's Hospital, I seek children who are not healthy and don't eat well and aren't active enough. So I'm really excited to be able to work with a program that can help all of them.
Yeah, no doubt this is something that's close to your heart. And if there's one thing I know about my girl here, Chef Calvo, is that she could do food. She does food deliciously. She does it well, and she can make it fun for kids as well. Even though this is an adult event, right? But you can learn a thing or two.
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, we want to raise money for a wonderful organization. So we're having fun today. What are we doing?
We're having fun, and this is typically one of my Maximum Flavor recipes, which all these guests can catch at the W next Thursday. We're doing a peaches and cream dessert, and it's my rendition of it. And we're doing a real modern spin, but it's quick and it's delicious.
Peaches and cream. There's a
peaches
song
and cream.
Peaches and cream.
Yeah, there is. But what I did was I put in some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we melt it down in a pan, and we just add our nice cut peaches right to it.
Does that make like a candy, or?
Yes, we're making a caramel.
Exactly. How do you do in the kitchen, Colin?
I do okay.
You do okay? Because you're a little far. I know that we're intimidating.
Yeah, we're a little intimidating.
Okay, it's a caramel.
And in fact, today, we're offering a very special offer. If someone calls up and buys tickets and buys Chef Adrienne's table, in addition to getting Chef Adrienne's table at the event, I will, at a later date, come to their house and cook for them and 7 of their friends.
Well, in that case, if you're about to pick up your phone and call, you better pay attention to what she's doing. So take some notes, okay?
We got some wontons right here, just like so. You fry these up, and you could do this beforehand. So this is easy prep.
Oh, okay.
Let's throw down 4 on here. Here we go.
Now, Adrienne, as you toss those down, Colin, I'm going to tell you something about her wontons. Appetizers, she does these pork wontons as an appetizer with guava and cheese. So that's a great app. So it's like everything comes full circle. You start off with the pork wontons, and you end with dessert and wontons. It's a beautiful thing.
Absolutely.
Did you get that, Colin? So then when you have to make dinner later for viewers that are calling right now for tickets?
I had a sneak peek at Chef Adrienne's menu for next Thursday, and it looks incredible.
Amazing.
Amazing. A little surf, a little turf, a little land. It'll be wonderful.
Yes, it's great.
Throw a little Maximum Flavor over your shoulder, and
absolutely
you're for a ride.
So here we throw down the sauteed peaches. I added a little rum to the pan to deglaze that. And what I did was, right in the package, we bake cream cheese. So it softens up and gets extra creamy.
Like you put the cream cheese in the oven, just
in
like
the oven, in its own package, just like this, in the aluminum foil. You bake it just like that, and when you open it up, you get this creamy, delicious, ooey goodness.
Genius.
All right.
Now, did you get the part that she added the rum?
I added the rum to that's the key. A little bit of cinnamon over the top. Oh boy.
And you might find a little rum at our event.
A little rum.
Yes. We're going to have a bar with a secret featured cocktail for the event. We're going to have a craft beer tasting, and we're going to have a bubbly station as well. It'll be a wonderful reception.
Bubbly and craft beer, 2 of my favorite things, I have to say.
Absolutely.
A little bit of fresh mint over the top. And as you can see, this was not difficult at all. And there you have our peaches and cream wontons.
That smells really good. The only thing better than smelling it is eating it. I'm so excited. We're going to do that next. All right, friends. Well, you can learn more about Chef Adrienne, of course. And I want to tell you more about that great event. It's happening next Thursday at the W Fort Lauderdale. And here's all the information you need to know. By the way, W Fort Lauderdale, located at 401 North Fort Lauderdale Beach Boulevard. The tickets are $150 per person, benefiting a wonderful, wonderful cause, getting your kids healthy here in South Florida. ChefSupportFront.org. That is the website that you need to put. You just heard Dr. Colin say, you call right now. He's going to be chefsupfront.org is the website, excuse me. But make sure that you call right now. We're going to get you your tickets, and you're going to have Colleen come out and cook for you. Want more information on Chef Adrienne Calvo? She tweets adriennecalvo.com. We'll be right back. Stay with us.
Today's Maximum Flavor cooking segment is sponsored by Panda Kitchen and Bath. From imagination straight to installation. Log on to pandakitchen.com today.
All right, welcome back. It's dessert time here in the Panda Kitchen. I want to tell you again that event is taking place a week from today at the W Fort Lauderdale. If you want to buy your tickets, again, to support a wonderful cause which helps kids in our community fight obesity, go to chefsupfront.org to buy your tickets. All right, mangiare. I already had one. It's really good.
I can't believe you ate one.
I already ate it.
Pass it along.
Oh, and I thought you were going to try one.